Tranquil Wildlife Sanctuary with majestic views of Johnson Creek. Grand circular foyer with coved ceiling lights, overhead chandelier and access to deck. Gourmet kitchen with new KitchenAid stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, subway tile backsplash, spacious island, walk-in pantry. Formal living and dining room with large custom windows. Light and bright family room with wood-burning fireplace and views of Johnson Creek. New and refinished red oak hardwood floors, new LED lighting, new interior and exterior paint, beautiful primary suite with sitting area and access to deck, spa-like ensuite with jetted tub, double sinks and large walk-in closet. New carpet in all bedrooms, new vinyl flooring in bathrooms and laundry room. New garage door with quiet glide.